Whether it's a web upload, mobile upload, draft, or final cut, every video in your project on the EditMate Dashboard is equipped with features to help you manage projects and easily share videos. Today, we'll show you each feature and how to use it. Hover over the info icon to see who uploaded the video and when. Click the bubble icon to write a comment on a video. This is helpful for sharing input with your team and providing guidance to an editor. When an editor downloads a video, a text file of the corresponding comment will download with it. Give it a thumbs up or thumbs down to show if you like the clip and want it included in the edited video. Hover over the three dots for a drop-down menu of more features. Select View Video to watch the video in a larger full screen on a different page. Select Direct Link to download the video directly. This is helpful for quickly downloading large files. Select Send Link to send the video to anyone by adding their email address and a message. This is useful for sharing edited videos with people who are not users in your EditMate account. Change Image allows you to change the image shown on your video thumbnail. Play the video and pause it to select a frame. Then click Generate Preview and use this image to set the new video thumbnail image. Select Change Details to edit the displayed file name. Move the video to another bin, like to Final Cuts when a draft has been approved, or to upload a custom thumbnail image. Select Copy Video to copy the video to another project within your account. This is useful when you want to use assets from an old project in a new one. Select Delete to delete the video file. Additionally, by checking the box on the left upper hand corner of the video, you can select multiple videos to download them together as a zipped file.